What is up, guys? Welcome to our very first video on the channel. Today we're going to be transforming Earthspark Optimus Prime with Robby Malto. For transformation, you have to push his head in, turn his arms, not his whole arm in, just his little arm and hand. And then turn them both, lift them both up, and then tuck them in. Now you have to lift this up, click it in, because it doesn't really click that well, that much. Maybe for you it does, for me it doesn't. Then you have to push this in. You have to click that in, then you can push it in. Push it in, okay. Then pull this front down, and then bring his hands and arm in. Pull that down. Click the gray thing that Robby will stand. That will show you. Lift his leg up. Lift his other leg up. I'll lift them both up. Pull this gray thing out for Robby Malto to go in. You can put the shield in his arms so you can stay protected. You can put it on Optimus Prime's sides, or you can put it in the front, like that. There we have it. Optimus Prime and Robby Malto in transformation. Remember to keep watching, like and subscribe. Peace.